In this video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Revolut account in Spain. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Revolut is available in plenty of locations, including Spain. To open your very own Revolut account, you must download the Revolut app, so you cannot create an account through the website. If you visit the website, you can download the app or start the process of signing up, but you must finish it through the app. So download Revolut from the Play Store or the App Store. Once you have the app downloaded and you open it up for the first time, the very first step is going to be to enter and verify a valid phone number. So change the country code as needed, select it there, change it to Spain, and then input your mobile number here. This is a requirement, so go through this process and verify any mobile number of your choice. Once this is done, tap on Sign Up at the bottom and follow the instructions on screen. Now, you have to confirm your country of residence. This should be Spain. Once you have it selected, make sure that you are aware of the terms, agreements, card issuing information, deposit protection, and all sorts of legal terms that they list here. If everything looks okay, tap on Accept and Continue, and finally input your address. You will input the main address at the top and then any other optional additional addresses that you have. This is all very sensitive information, so I'm not showing a practical example, but it is all very intuitive and you can even use this search function to specify your address with ease. Once everything looks okay, the last thing is to choose a plan. You can use the standard plan for free, which includes the core functionalities of Revolut, or you can consider a metal or premium plan, which are paid but will have advanced features. Once everything looks okay, you will now have access to the home screen of Revolut. You can add new accounts, add new currencies to your Revolut profile, and exchange money as you see fit. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.